Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'll show you powerful anti-aging face masks that also help reduce dark spots and pigmentation. Each recipe is simple, natural, and made with a common but magical ingredient, potato. Potatoes are rich in enzymes, vitamin C, and natural starches. They help brighten the skin, reduce inflammation, and fade pigmentation while giving your skin a fresh and youthful glow. Potatoes also tighten the skin and improve its texture over time. If you enjoy natural skincare tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. Blend it into a smooth puree. This will be the base for all of our face masks. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, followed by cool water to tighten the pores. Finish with a light moisturizer. Friends, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from? Second recipe, take 1 tablespoon of potato puree and mix it with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid and gently exfoliates, brightens the skin, and improves texture. Mask benefits. This mask helps lighten pigmentation, calm inflammation, and visibly smooth out fine lines. How to use. Apply the mask generously to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse first with warm water and follow with cool water to tighten the skin. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Friends, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from? We'd love to hear. Third recipe, mix 1 tablespoon of potato puree. Add half a teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It locks in moisture and gives the skin a healthy glow. This mask deeply hydrates the skin, fades spots, and enhances your skin's natural elasticity. How to use. Apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends who love skincare. Fourth recipe. 1 tablespoon of potato puree with 1 teaspoon of oat flour. Oat flour soothes sensitive skin, reduces redness, and gently exfoliates. This mask is perfect for calming irritated skin, brightening tone, and improving texture. How to use. Spread the mask evenly on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm and then cool water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. If you love these DIY masks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. New videos every week. Fifth recipe. 1 tablespoon of potato puree. A few drops of lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and helps lighten dark spots. Yogurt exfoliates and adds moisture. This is a powerful brightening mask. It fades pigmentation, evens out the skin tone, and gives a fresh, youthful look. How to use it. Apply the mixture to the face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm and cool water. Follow with moisturizer. Use this mask only twice a week. Sixth recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of potato puree. with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is ultra-hydrating and has a calming effect on the skin. This mask is perfect for dry, irritated, or inflamed skin. It restores moisture, reduces redness, and boosts skin elasticity. How to use it? Apply the mixture to the face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. 7th recipe: 1 tablespoon of potato puree. Brew some green tea and let it cool. Mix with 1 teaspoon of the cooled green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that protect and rejuvenate the skin. Benefits of this mask: this combination fights early signs of aging, helps reduce dark spots, and leaves the skin smooth and radiant. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm and then cool water. Follow with a gentle moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. They are simple, effective, and perfect for natural skincare lovers. If you would like to support our channel, we'll be happy to receive a super thanks. Thank you for watching, and see you again very soon.